Good evening to the respected principal madam, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Anusha of 10th standard from Khairatabad Girls 1. Today I am going to explain the topic of types of chemical reactions. Till now we come to know that what is physical process and physical reactions. Now we are going to know what are types of chemical reaction. So first type is combination reaction. By the name itself we can infer what is combination. In such reactions, two or more substances combine to form a single compound. Example, 2Mg plus O2 forms 2MgO. We saw a magnesium ribbon. What is that? It is a metal. When we burnt a magnesium ribbon in the presence of oxygen, we got magnesium oxide. So we have two reactants. One is magnesium and the other is oxygen. When we combine these two reactants, we got a product that magnesium oxide. So this reaction is called combination reaction. Now next is decomposition reaction. This reaction is reverse of combination reaction. In these reactions, a compound decomposes to produce two or more different substances. When the product get decomposed into the reactant, that is called decomposition reaction. Example, PCl5 get decomposed to get PCl3 plus Cl2 gas. For example, when we eat food, after eating the food, we will get energy. Why we will get energy? Why? Because the food goes into the stomach and it get decomposed by the help of enzymes which are present in the stomach, and with these enzymes for our body we will get energy and we will be active. So this is the example of decomposition reaction. Decomposition by heat is called thermal decomposition and decomposition by sunlight is called photodecomposition. When any substances getting decomposed in the presence of heat, then it is called thermal decomposition reaction. And decomposition by sunlight is called photodecomposition. Next is displacement reaction. What is displacement? Displace means going to one place to another place to substitute itself. If we have two reactants, one compound and another is normal reactant,